Imagine turning a messy stack of apps into one clean, powerful workspace. No more juggling tabs, passwords, or surprise invoices, just momentum. With 40+ AI tools under one roof, you can brainstorm, write, design, edit video, repurpose, and schedule without leaving your flow. For $39 a month, one login unlocks the entire engine. Here's what that means in your day. Ideate a week of posts over coffee. Auto-generate eye-catching visuals, script a short, caption it, and schedule the whole batch before lunch. Research becomes faster, copy hits harder, and your brand shows up consistently without burning out. This isn't another shiny object. It's consolidation with purpose. Fewer decisions, fewer distractions, and a simple path from idea to asset. Whether you're a creator, coach, or small team, the value is clarity. You finally have a system that keeps you shipping. If you've ever said, "I need to post more," this is your sign. Trade tab chaos for traction. Turn scattered tools into a single, repeatable workflow that compounds results every week. Ready to build your content engine? Register now at https://momentumtech.ai/register/Hosey05. Then head to https://AIBreakfastlab.com to see a live demonstration of exactly how we use these tools, start to end. Watch the process, steal the playbook, and start publishing at a pace you didn't think possible. One subscription, one login, 40+ tools, $39 a month. Let's replace overwhelm with output, starting today. Sign up, show up, and let the system handle heavy lifting while you focus on ideas, clients, and growth that moves the needle.